Assalamu alaikum students. This is the last part from the plant tissues and today we will start compound tissues. As in the beginning I have told you that compound tissues are the tissues that are composed of more than one type of cells. So here you can see there are two examples, xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are complex tissues and they are composed of more than one type of cells and they are present in vascular plants. The plants that have xylem and phloem are called vascular plants as they contain vascular tissues or xylem and phloem vascular bundle. That is the reason they are named as vascular plants. So let's start with xylem. Xylem, a compound tissue, it composed of two different type of cells. The one is vessel element and the other is tracheids. In the diagram you can also see these two are labeled tracheid and vessel elements. Okay, the characters of xylem or the special features, that xylem consists of elongated cells. Their cell walls are very thick and rigid and they have lignin in the cell walls. In the primary cell walls, only cellulose is present, but when there is a secondary cell wall has lignin. So xylem contains secondary cell walls and these cell walls are very thick because of the presence of lignin. Function of xylem, two most important function, that as the cells are so much thick, they have lignin, they give the mechanical support to the plant. And the main function of the xylem is conduction of water and dissolved substances. Xylem of the root, they take the water from the soil and then from the root it is transferred to the xylem of the stem. In this way water through the xylem reaches to the leaves. Okay, now these two parts of the xylem. The first is vessel elements. Vessel elements or cells. In the diagram you can also see that this blue arrow shows one vessel cell. This is one vessel cell and this whole is the stack of vessel cells. Vessel cells or vessel elements, they join up with each other and stack together to form a long pipe. In the second diagram, the yellow arrow also show you the inside of these vessels. And these vessels, the mature vessel elements, they are dead and their walls are very thick and they only transfer the water from one part to the other part, and these walls are pitted. Pitted means that they have some dips in it. The next cell in the xylem is tracheids. These are also very narrow and elongated cells. We use the term slender. These are slender and elongated cells and their ends are overlapping with each other and they also have pitted walls, means some dips are present in it. Its function is also the mechanical support and the other is conduction of water and dissolved substances. Mean both are the cells of xylem, vessel elements and tracheids, and both help in the mechanical support and conduction of water and dissolved substances. Okay, the next compound tissue is phloem and it is also composed of two different types of cells, sieve tube cells and companion cells. The characters of phloem, they also have thick and rigid cell walls and their cells are elongated and they have special cells that are called sieve cells or perforated cells. Sieve cells mean just like the stainer, they have pores in them and therefore they are called perforated cells. Okay, first of all we will discuss sieve tube cells here. They are the part of the phloem. Their characters are that they are elongated cells, they have perforation. Perforation means pores. In the diagram you can also see that there are pores between the cells. Sieve tube cells also join with each other to form long tubes and this is also the conductive part of the phloem and they transport food in the plant. The function of phloem is actually the conduction of food or organic matter. Okay, the next cell of the phloem is companion cells. They are also found in the phloem. They are elongated cells. The red arrow shows the companion cells, and they make proteins for the sieve tube cells. In this way, phloem works with the help of these two companion cells and sieve tube cells. Okay, class, in this lecture, the topic plant tissues is completed. Thank you.